So ayan, magandang araw sa inyo mga batid. Ayan, samahan niyo kami ngayon ng aking pamilya. At pupunta kami dun sa swimming lesson ng aking mga anak. Pasok tayo mamaya pero maaga pa naman. Alas 5 pa lang ng hapon. So, samahan ko muna yung aking mga anak na mag-swimming lesson. Ayan, sila Mami, Tayshan. Ayan. Swimming muna kami. Swimming lesson ng mga bata. Ayan. Pinatay na ni Mami yung
Come on, quick, because we're going to be late.
Quick na raw, quick. Tara, quick. Gonna be late. Ayan, Sophia. Ayan yung aking bunso. Tara. Let's go. Swimming lesson.
Wait, no.
So, ayan. Alas 5 ng hapon, maglalakad kami. Itang swimming lesson ng mga bata. Ayan. Mami, si Pia. Lakad. Lumig pa rin hanggang ngayon. Ano muna kami? Bago ako pumasok, samahan ko muna yung mga bata para makita ko yung kanilang progression sa swimming nila. So, ayan, ito yung aming lugar mga kapatid. Oh. Medyo malamig. Ay, cold, Mami. Lamig pa rin. Pero siyempre, maganda rin yung naglalakad-lakad kami. Ayan. Lalakad-lakad, bonding na rin namin ng aking pamilya. Himik na. Why are places so quiet now? Why are so quiet? Nice and quiet ang aming lugar. Ay, lakas ng hangin. Bumubuga. Hangin. Ang kaganda naman dito sa lugar namin mga kapatid ay ano siya, very convenient. Malapit sa eskwelahan, malapit sa grocery, malapit sa ospital. Lahat malapit eh. Sa town center, train station, walking distance lang. Mga 10 to 15 minutes walk. Kaya maganda tong lugar na napili namin. Sabi ko mga kapatid, grocery, yun lang. Walking distance, tapos yung train station doon banda. So kaya talagang very convenient, accessible sa amin. Tapos yung mga activities ng mga bata, yun lang din. Kaya walking distance lang sa lahat. So how's your swimming, anak?
Good.
Your progression. Stage 5 now. You're so lucky you know how to swim. Daddy don't know how to swim.
Yeah, you do. I've seen you swim before.
It's just a joke.
Okay.
Daddy cannot go to the very deep one.
I can.
Scared. Buti na lang talaga mga kapatid na pinilit namin matuto mag-swimming itong mga bata dahil kung hindi.
Daddy, guess what?
Yes.
You want to know how deep it is?
What?
I have to dive in just to touch your belly.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you get scared?
No.
You're not
I'm
scared.
used to it.
Used to, that's good. You'll get used to
And
everything.
anyways, I was used to it in stage 3 because like on stage 3 we were in the other area where like you could touch the ground with your feet, but
Wait.
on some weeks we got to go like into the big area like the deep pool and jump in.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. At least you know how to swim now.
And now I'm swimming.
That's good. So ayan, natuto na raw siya lumangoy. Tuwa, worth it yung binabayad namin ni Mrs. Nagbabayad kami ni Mrs. ng 42 pounds kada isa Sophia 42, Citation 42. So 84 pounds kada buwan binabayad namin sa swimming lesson. So worth it naman. So ayan, grocery. Pag gusto na mag-grocery, yan, lapit lang.
Little.
5 minutes walk. Tapos swimming, sinihan. Lapit lang. Kaya yung nakuha naming lugar na napagkuha na namin ng bahay. Napakaswerte kasi yun, lapit lang lahat. Sobrang lapit lang eh. McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, Costa. Tapos trabaho namin ni Mrs. 10 minutes drive lang. Kaya
When can we go indoor skydiving?
indoor skydiving, I don't know. We will try soon. We will try. So, malapit lang, accessible. Kaya swerte. Kaya kahit maglakad kami, pwede. Oh, tatawid. Ay!
You got me running. You got me running as well.
Asset. Ayan, mga bumbero. Fire engine. Parang mga laruan yung ano, ano. Parang yung mga fire engine parang mga laruan eh. Ganda ng design.
Oh, just to get everyone to stop.
Yan, indoor skydiving. Costa Coffee. Ayan.
Why is it so tall? Why is there so many stairs? I fly.
Palaruan. Ice skating. Hollywood Bowl. Arcade. Swimming. Walking distance lang.
And Daddy,
Mm.
there's even water slide. And there's
Yes.
even kids things.
That's it. Yan lang.
And we have to do a swimming lesson.
Ah.
So this is where the cars park.
Yeah, Daddy knows that.
And that's where the sky is. That's where the air is.
Hollywood Bowl, the home of bowling.
Ayan, ang aking pamilya. Swimming lesson.
It's like
Station, si Sophia sa si Mami, marunong lumangoy. O naman, kaya naman, kaya lang pagdating sa malalalim na, di na. Ayan, Hollywood Bowl.
those thingy majiggies.
Mm.
Yeah. And now he fixed it.
So, ito yung swimming lesson ng aking anak dito. Dito sila nagsiswimming lesson. Aquadrome. Tapos may Planet Ice, ice skating. Nilakad lang namin, 10 minutes walk.
No one's ever been in
Exercise na lang.
there. No one's ever been in Planet Ice.
Yeah.
That's where Papa John's used to be.
Supposed to be. Yan, aquadrome. Swimming. Yung mga bata.
Why do they call it?
Si Sophia. Ready na. Oh, you ready na? Ready for swimming. Come here. Come. Si Mami nagliligpit ng mga gamit nila para mamaya. You okay, Mami? Ready? Swimming?
Wait.
Chatting. Doesn't hurt.
So So yan mga kapatid, so tapos na ang swimming lesson ng mga bata. So ako naman ay mag-aayos. Gagayak na kasi may pasok tayo mamaya. So ganito lang. Ganito lang talaga tayo buhay dito sa UK. Kailangan supportahan natin yung mga bata kasi bilis lang lumaki. Bilis lumaki sila. Tapos tingnan panahon eh, hindi natin sila makakasama. Ayun, nakapangano eh. Ayun naman sila mami. Ayun. Oh, lamig. It's very cold.
I know, right? This is the UK.
It's always cold in the UK.
Only in the summer, right?
Summer is still raining. So ayun.
On some days it's raining.
Yeah. So ayun, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa akin channel. Maraming salamat po, Kuya Fred. Peace.